Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to find Instagram Lives. So the first step is go to the application of Instagram, and the first thing you need to know is you need to follow this person to view when is in live, and when this person start live in Instagram here in the part of history, like in a circle, like any history. You can put here, and this is a different circle because it's a circle for the life. You pick in the circle, and you can see the live stream. If this person is alive, the live stream show you Instagram show you this live stream here in the part of histories. So this is the process. And if you want to see a live, but in specifically a repeat of this live, some person save their lives in the part of any profile. Like you go to this profile, and the persons save the life here in the part of reels. So in this part, if this person save the life, you can find this life here. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.